Very beautiful, healthy. Yeah, and as you can see, the structure is made of iron sheets and wire mesh. So they are enclosed inside, they can't move. These are just for them to graze wherever they are. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, family. Let me know from where you're watching me from. How do you keep your birds? Do you have the improved birds, or do you have the ones which are GMO? Please give me your comments. Share this video, like, and very soon I'll be giving you Keegan's YouTube channel. Please go there, subscribe, comment, and like the video. And I've also, please subscribe to Cleo Bonnie, and that will be awesome. Thank you, viewers, for watching. This is African Rose coming to you live from Far Agri Business Farm in Cape Karen, Uasin Gishu County. Bye.